What's up, YouTube? So I wanted to get like a Halloween look in. Last year I did like a smile now cry later type of look, and I want to recreate it and just do it again, but different. I got my smile now cry later jersey on, and I got my Jamaica in this like Jake the Dog cup. So I'm basically ready to go. It's not sweet though. I don't make it sweet. I don't know. I don't really like sweet drinks that much. My neighbor just like decided to wake up again, and it's literally 11:52. I feel like such a Karen. I feel like if you watch my videos, you like know that I talk about them low-key a lot, but it's because they remind me that they exist a lot. Like, I wouldn't think about them otherwise. So I feel like the curly hair kind of like matches the vibe. I already got these like silver earrings on, and I feel like I'm just giving like very much like Latino vibes right now. So I feel like it goes like with the vibe. So I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna keep my hair like this, and I'm gonna keep my makeup like a little bit from like what I already have on, which I did do a tutorial on this look itself. It'll be like up here somewhere, but I'm gonna just go starting with this base basically so far. I'm gonna take this like NYX, what is it, matte lip liner. It's like in a really dark color. It's called Alien, but I'm just gonna use that to like outline everything that I want to outline, and then I'm gonna take a smudge brush, and that's how I'm gonna start doing things. I'm trying to decide. So like one side is gonna be like payasa, and then the other side is gonna be like crying girl. I'm gonna pull my hair back. Trying to keep this strand away. I was having trouble with it earlier today. So basically I want to create like, payasa is a clown. That's what that means in Spanish. And so I want to create like the little like, I don't know what it's called, but like, you know, that white art on clouds. So I'm just like drawing it for the outline so that I know where to put. I don't have any like white liner, but I have like this really pale concealer, so I'm just gonna use that. I don't know, this is low-key kind of hard. And then I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape in Porcelain Beige. So it's like super pale. It's like the only thing I have that's like closest to white. And I'm just taking this like concealer brush from Morphe, and I'm basically just like filling in the lines right now. But I'm basically just carving it from the inside. I'm also gonna zoom this up because I just realized you have the bottom way. I'm basically like as if this was my brow, like I'm doing the same thing, like I'm just carving it out on the inside. And then basically at the bottom, I'm gonna like re-carve out my brow just. Did you see me do that? Okay, so now I'm basically just gonna go over this black line again. Just make it like a little clearer because I really just made like a little outline. And then basically I'm gonna repeat the process. Just put like another layer of this concealer and basically carve it out again. Like literally just same process that I just did. Like I'm basically just trying to blend it in. So it should look something like that. Then I'm gonna take this like fluffy-ish brush because it's like the closest thing I have to like a dense brush. But like I'm gonna go in with this Flirty Talk Color Pop palette. And I'm gonna go in with this white color, On Your Mind. That's what it's called. And I'm gonna basically just set the whole thing. Damn, I think for the first time I'm starting to see like the shimmer that it has on it. That's crazy. Now I'm gonna take like this fluffy brush. I wanna go in with the gray, but I'm scared it's gonna mess it up. Like, to be honest, I think I'm just gonna go in with this smudge brush, and I'm gonna go in with the gray. And I'm gonna just like tap on the edges with it just to like give it more like shadow. I can't believe now I'm finally like starting to see like the little like pink shimmer that it has. I swear to God, it's been white this whole time. Like my eyeshadow looks white, doesn't it? Like, I can't believe it. What if I set it with like translucent? Not really. I tried, guys. And then now I'm basically gonna go over it one last time because now it's got like the shading. I low-key really badly want to go over it with liquid liner, but I think instead I'll just go over the line with like a black shadow. Also, by the way, I've been going in with this Blue Your Away palette from Morphe. Yeah, I'm gonna put that on like the outside, and then I'm gonna do the same thing where I just like start blending. Like I just drag everything towards like the middle. And then now for the inside, we're gonna do like the little clown line. This part is gonna be stressful, so actually I think instead of going straight in with the liquid, I'm gonna use this flat angled brush and go in with the black shadow. So it's already like it's like at like a flat line, you know, instead of trying to draw like a straight line from scratch. But now I'm gonna go over, I think I want to go over the whole thing with liquid liner, which I think I'm crazy for, and I might mess everything up. I don't think I'm gonna be able to breathe through like this entire process. Alright, so I just did it and I couldn't breathe the entire time, but now I'm basically just gonna clean up like the inside of this. It's not like the tip because the tip's not like straight. That sounds crazy, huh? So I think that's that. It okay turned out way cleaner than I thought it would. Hopefully I didn't speak too soon because I gotta do the bottom now. I forgot about that part. I'm trying to make it like straight. This part's low-key gonna be intense because I don't have like this stuff around it, because I'm gonna do it without like the white circle on the bottom. I low-key like can't even breathe when I'm doing this. And I'm doing so for real. Thank God I only have to do one side. Alright, I can't breathe. I feel like that's like pretty even though. Now I'm trying to decide how we should do like the lips. If there should be like this like mask part like around the mouth, or if we should just drag like the lips out. Okay, hold on. I brought it down too far, so I'm gonna clean it up with this sponge and try to pretend like that was never there. But I guess we're gonna put the concealer there anyway, so it doesn't matter. Oh my god. Alright, so I just created like this like shape on the bottom, and I'm gonna try to do it onto the other side the same, but it's gonna be hard. Okay, I just finished the other side. They're not they're not even like whatsoever, and it's kind of like bothering me very much, but we're just gonna have to deal with it. But basically I just outlined it in the same pencil that I did the top, like the eye part, and then now I'm just gonna fill everything in with concealer. I'm actually gonna wipe off my lips. And then I'm just gonna take the same concealer brush. It's the same concealer brush that I use to carve out my eyebrows like regularly. Okay, I just tried doing this again without a mirror. And then I'm basically just like blending at the same time when I'm dragging it out. I kind of made it like thicker because like I'm not following a guide. I was just like drawing, like freestyling. I feel like this is like one of those trust the process moments. Like this is the time where I tell you guys don't be scared, or maybe it's just like the time where I tell myself not to be scared because I'm low-key scared right now. Like it's not even the same, and it's making me mad. Like I like this side better than this one. Alright. Now I'm gonna go over the same line that I just like blended out with this gray color from the Blue Your Away palette. Okay, I think that's as like even as I can make it. And I think I'm just gonna set over everything with the white eyeshadow from the ColourPop palette. I'm gonna just make sure that like these insides are blended out so that when I go over it with like white powder, it's not looking crazy. But I'm basically just setting everywhere. And then I'm gonna just do the same thing on the other side. Hold on, I'm so thirsty, I shouldn't even be talking right now. Now I'm gonna go in with this black eyeshadow and run over like the entire outline. Oh my god, I just messed up so bad. Okay, I fixed it with my powder puff a little bit. And then the craziest part is that I'm gonna go over everything with this liquid liner. I think this is like literally as good as it could. Also, my camera's like, it's freaking out right now, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. All I did off camera was set like everything with translucent. It's just the Laura Mercier translucent powder. But I'm gonna start lining my lips in this lip liner in coffee. I'm gonna fill it in also. I love this color though because it's almost black, but it's like not like this is a black that I use like on my face. But like my lips is like brown, you know, like there's a difference. But if I were to like put this on like just like right next to my foundation, you would think it's black. Like it's literally kind of trippy seeing them like next to each other right now. And then for my lips, I'm gonna go in with this Nova Beauty lipstick in rosette. I'm gonna put it in the middle, but I'm not gonna drag it all the way out. And then I'm gonna take this Nova Beauty gloss in Thyme. That's like really pretty. I'm also gonna curl like the end up a little bit. Now I'm gonna take this Milk Kush mascara because it's like the fluffiest brush I have for mascara. Looks like that. I just like put mascara like all on the bottom on one side because we're gonna be trying, and I'm gonna use gems on top of like the mascara. And then I'm just gonna use like this part of like this Kosas powder, and that's how I'm gonna pick them up. And now I'm gonna go in with this duo lash glue. This is gonna be so much easier to see because it's like a black lash glue, so you can literally see where you put it. Last time I did like a gem tier tutorial, it was kind of like different because I used clear glue. And then I'm just taking this pencil and then I kind of like bringing it down like in a line. So I'm basically just gonna put this like everywhere on this part of my eye and then like on top also. My camera's about to die, so if it does, that's what happens. I'm really just like making it look like as if my eye was wet from crying, but like with crystal tears, which is super cute. But yeah, that's it for this look. Let me know what you think and let me know if you recreate it. Don't forget to tag me. I hope you have a blessed day and I'll see you in my next video.